Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how do aeroplanes fly? Well, they are quite heavy, so gravity is pulling them down. So why they are still not falling down? There must be something which is cancelling the force of gravity. Let's try to understand what is that. For this you need to have experience of two simple observations. All of you who have done gardening or you have allowed water to come out through a pipe, you must have experienced that if you close a part of the pipe, the water comes out faster. So here is a pipe, you can see water is coming out. If you block some part of this pipe, you will see the water comes out faster. It travels more distance, right? That means that when you decrease the area of this pipe, you see the speed. I'm using the letter V for speed. The speed with which the water comes out increases. So that's the first observation we need to know. The second observation I would like to show you as a demo. You can see this part of the paper is getting pulled by gravity. Now observe carefully. So by blowing air in this direction, I was able to lift this paper upward. Why this happens is when the air here flows faster, the pressure here drops. And since the pressure here is higher than here, there will be a force from higher pressure to lower pressure. And that is what we call lift force. That means when the speed of air increases, the pressure here drops. Using these two observations, we can easily understand how do aeroplanes fly. The technical names of this in physics is called equation of continuity. I'm saying this for the physics lovers, and the technical name for this is called Bernoulli's principle. Now imagine an aeroplane is going in this direction. So these are the wings which I'm representing by this diagram, and the upper part is more curved and the lower one is more flat. Now as the aeroplane goes in this direction, with respect to aeroplane, the air is flowing in the backward direction. You all have experienced that when you travel in a car or in an auto rickshaw, right? The car is going in this direction, but with respect to you, you see the air is coming backwards. So as the plane goes forward, with respect to the plane, the air is flowing backwards. Because of the design here, you can see this area of the cross section through which air is flowing is smaller. So since the area here is smaller, the flow velocity here will be more because of the first observation. Because the flow velocity of air is more, the pressure here will be less because of the second observation, and therefore these wings will feel a force from high pressure towards low pressure, and that force is what we call aero lift. And if that is greater than the gravitational force, then the wings will lift. So that is how aeroplanes defy gravity, by creating a pressure difference. And how do they create the pressure difference? By creating the velocity difference.